Darling, hold my hand.
Nothing beats a gentle holiday. Now you can save £50 per person. Hey everyone, welcome to the Voltgent canal, and now let's see this. Look for a powerful and reliable generator. Here we go. Come to see us 680A open type. Powered by the SDEC engine, we have built for the efficiency, strength, and non-stop heavy-duty performance. March with a Voltgent alternator, delivering a stable power to protect your important equipment. In the control cabinet, we have the COM app controller and Galaxy breakers. Look at this. Put everything in your fingertips. Make your electrical system safe-grounded by this protection. Cold weather, fuel impurities, don't worry about that. We have the water jacket heater and the fuel water separator. The open type design means better cooling, better maintenance, and perfect generator runs. The 688 kVA SDEC Voltgent open generator site, responsible, reliable, and powerful. Here to contact us for more details.